Richard Clarkson Studio Floating Cloud. A floating cloud is a stunning floating accessory that hovers approximately 3 inches above a mirrored surface. Equipped with sound reactive LED lights, it changes colors to the rhythm of your favorite music, creating a mesmerizing ambience. Its gentle rotation and bobbing motion make it a unique centerpiece that enhances any room's atmosphere. Rolling Square inCharge 6 Cable Connector. This compact cable connector can replace 6 different cables. It features 2 USB-C connectors, 2 standard USB connectors, and Lightning and micro USB connectors suitable for all mobile devices. The cable supports both charging and data syncing, making it a versatile tool. You can clip it onto your keychain or use a 5-foot-long version for extended needs. GoBoat Inflatable Donut. The GoBoat is an innovative inflatable boat perfect for fishing, hunting, or casual water activities. Its inflatable chair adds comfort, while a motor can be added to enhance speed. This watercraft is capable of supporting up to 300 pounds and is known for its stability, ensuring users don't need anything and they don't worry about capsizing. Loop Gear Skywalker SK01 Flashlight. The Skywalker SK01 flashlight is a compact yet powerful light source, producing beams that can travel up to 525 feet. It features a customizable ambient light at the tail, and its small size makes it easy to carry. Additionally, it comes with a variety of fidget toys, making it a handy and fun gadget for outdoor activities. Mars Players The One Camping Gear. The One by Mars Players is an all-in-one camping gadget that includes heating and cooling modules, LED lights, and grill modules. It also has an emergency toolkit equipped with a compass, SOS buzzer, and laser positioning device. To enhance comfort, it includes a heater and ultrasonic mosquito repellent to keep insects at bay. Fluora LED Floor Plant. The Fluora LED floor plant brings a futuristic vibe to your home, transforming your space into a vibrant Pandora-like forest. Featuring 5 artist-crafted stems and 20 glowing leaves, this plant can display up to 16 million colors. You can control the brightness, color, and light effects through an app. The best part is that it's maintenance-free. You don't need to water it, yet it keeps your home illuminated beautifully. Safemo P1 Cam Set. The Safemo P1 Cam Set is a powerful wireless security camera system that offers AI-powered features. It securely stores data in the hub without a subscription, with solar panels providing consistent power. The cameras can operate for days with just a few hours of sunlight. They feature facial recognition, motion detection zones, and 4K video recording for day and night. Two-way talk and siren modes enhance security by allowing real-time interaction with visitors. Xeric NASA Artemis Tumbler Watch. The Xeric NASA Artemis Tumbler watch is a mechanical timepiece inspired by space exploration. Its dial, hands, and bezel are illuminated with superluminova for visibility in the dark, while a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the face. The stainless steel case gives a clear view of its inner workings, and since it's mechanical, it doesn't need a battery. The stylish watch offers a sophisticated look while reflecting a passion for NASA and space. Magnactor Gadget Connector. The Magnactor connector is a compact tool that uses neodymium magnets to give you instant access to essentials like keys or small tools. It can withstand weights up to 4 pounds, ensuring durability. When you need an item, just pull the lower part to detach it. Its sturdy magnetic connection makes it easy to access tools quickly. Whether you're on the go or working on a project, it's an indispensable gadget for everyday use. Big Idea Design BitBar II EDC Screwdriver. The BitBar II is a sleek everyday carry screwdriver that resembles a lighter but houses 8 hex bits for convenient repairs. It includes 2 magnetic beds, making it even more practical for on-the-go fixing tasks. Crafted from durable titanium, the compact screwdriver fits easily into your pocket or attaches to a lanyard. Its small size and functionality make it an essential tool for anyone needing quick access to screwdrivers while traveling or working. DJI Mic 2. The DJI Mic 2 is designed for YouTube creators, featuring a redesigned charging case, 2 wireless transmitters with built-in microphones, and a larger touchscreen receiver. It includes a new control wheel and noise-canceling technology. The mic system offers 32-bit float internal recording, 8 GB internal storage, and a recording range of up to 820 feet. With up to 18 hours of recording time, it ensures superior audio quality for content creation. Seiji Laptop Bed Tray Table. The Seiji Laptop Bed Tray Table allows you to work or study comfortably from your couch or bed. It features adjustable legs for height, and the desk angles can be customized for your preference. A silicone baffle and stopper keep your laptop or books secure. Additionally, it includes a drawer for storing office supplies, making it a functional and portable workspace for those who prefer working from the comfort of home. Light Phone the Third. The Light Phone the Third offers a minimalist approach to smartphones featuring a black and white OLED screen that prioritizes essential functions like calls, messaging, music, and navigation without the distractions of emails or social media. With front and rear cameras, an NFC chip, USB-C port, fingerprint reader, and user-replaceable battery, it combines simplicity with modern technology. Its focus is on reclaiming time by reducing digital noise and encouraging meaningful use. Mimiq Go. The Mimiq Go is a portable security gadget designed to protect your belongings. When triggered by movement or proximity, it emits a loud 120 decibel alarm. You receive real-time notifications on your phone, allowing you to monitor your valuables remotely. It operates on a rechargeable battery that lasts for 3 months. Whether you're traveling or at home, this compact device offers peace of mind by ensuring your belongings are safe. Beblau Organizer. The Beblau Organizer is a practical tool for keeping cords, wires, and office supplies organized. It attaches to your laptop via adhesive tape or can be worn for convenience. You can also mount it on a desk or wall to keep everything nearly arranged and within reach. Ideal for remote workers or those with cluttered desks, it helps ensure cables and devices stay in order, preventing tangled messes. Pow Mo Speaker. The Pow Mo Speaker is a foldable portable speaker that becomes almost phone-sized when folded. When unfolded, it delivers deeper bass and clearer sound quality. Built-in magnets allow it to be mounted on metal surfaces, making it versatile for different environments. With a battery life up to 8 hours, it's perfect for music lovers on the go, providing excellent sound quality without taking up too much space. SOL Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool. The SOL Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool is an all-in-one gadget that includes 8 functions. It features a waterproof compartment with tinder for fire starting, a retractable flint, a serrated blade, a wrench, screwdriver, LED light, and a whistle for emergencies. This compact and practical tool is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Lazy Spa Hot Tubs. The Lazy Spa Hot Tub is an affordable portable hot tub that can accommodate to 8 people. It can be installed both indoors and outdoors, requiring minimal maintenance. With a fully automatic generator that inflates the tub within minutes and fills it with water, it's easy to set up. A control panel allows you to adjust the temperature as well, along with the massage modes and other settings. Flynova Drone. The Flynova Drone is a spinning, hovering gadget that performs tricks and high-speed maneuvers in the air. It features motion sensors that enable different flight paths based on throwing speed and angle. The drone charges in just 20 minutes via USB and can be used for fun stunts and creative flight tricks. Precision Screwdriver Set Cylinder. This compact precision screwdriver set includes 120 bits, offering versatility for a variety of repair tasks. It features a built-in magnet to keep bits, nails, and screws secure, and comes with a flexible hose for tricky spaces. Additional tools like tweezers make it ideal for delicate repairs. Compact and easy to carry, this screwdriver set is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The BOOX Tab Ultra ePaper Tablet PC. The BOOX Tab Ultra is an ePaper tablet with a large 10.3-inch display, providing a paper-like reading experience that's gentle on the eyes. Running on Android 11, it allows you to perform daily tasks such as document scanning using the built-in camera. It also comes with a magnetic keyboard for easier typing, making it a versatile tool for both reading and productivity without the strain of traditional screens.